Welcome to Comparative Practice. In this lesson, we will learn how to compare people, things, and places in English. Comparatives are essential for everyday conversations. Let's begin our journey to master this important grammar topic. A comparative is a word or phrase we use to show how two things, people, or places are different from each other. For example, we might say John is taller than Mary. This book is more interesting than that one. Or, Tokyo is bigger than Kyoto. In each case, we are comparing two items to highlight their differences. For short adjectives, which usually have one or two syllables, we add the letters ER to the end and use the word then. Let's look at some examples. Tall becomes taller. She is taller than him. Fast becomes faster. This car is faster than that one. Happy becomes happier. I am happier than yesterday. Notice how we simply add ER to create the comparative form. For long adjectives, which usually have three or more syllables, we use the word more before the adjective and then use then. Here are some examples. We say more interesting. This movie is more interesting than that one. More beautiful. She is more beautiful than her sister. More comfortable. This chair is more comfortable. When an adjective is longer, we do not add ER instead, we put more in front of it. When we compare people, we often focus on physical traits, personality, and abilities. For instance, John is taller than Mike. This compares their heights. Sarah is more intelligent than her classmate. This compares their intelligence. He runs faster than his brother. This compares their running speed. These examples show how we can compare different aspects of people using comparatives. When we compare things or objects, we might focus on qualities like size, color, material, or other features. This book is more interesting than that one. Here we compare the interest level of two books. My phone is newer than yours. We compare the age of two phones. That car is more expensive than this one. We compare the price of two cars. Comparatives help us describe differences between objects in our everyday life. When we compare places like cities, countries, or locations, we might talk about their size, population, weather, or beauty. Tokyo is bigger than Kyoto. This compares the size of two Japanese cities. Paris is more expensive than Lyon. We compare the cost of living in two French cities. The beach is more beautiful than the mountains. This compares the beauty of two natural locations. Comparatives are very useful when discussing different places around the world. Let's review what we learned. For short adjectives with one or two syllables, add ER and use then. For long adjectives with three or more syllables, use more before the adjective and then. Always use the word then when making a comparison. Remember to practice comparing people, things, and places daily. This will help you master comparatives and use them naturally in conversations. Great job learning about comparative practice today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.